সো গত দুটো ক্লাসে আমরা ডিসকাস করেছি যে মসফেট সম্বন্ধে, মসফেট ইকুয়েশন, ডিফারেন্ট রিজিয়ন অফ মসফেট অপারেশন, যেখান থেকে আমরা বুঝতে পেরেছি যে আমাদের অ্যাক্টিভ রিজিয়ন বলতে যখন আমার স্যাচুরেশন রিজিয়নেই মসফেটটাকে অপারেট করতে হবে টু গেট এ গুড অ্যাম্পলিফায়ার বিহেভিয়ার। ওকে, সো আগে তোমরা বিজেটি মানে বাইপোলার জাংশন ট্রানজিস্টরের অ্যাম্পলিফায়ার হিসেবে কিছু পড়েছো নাকি আমার জানা নেই, মনে হয় পড়েছো গ্র্যাজুয়েশনে বিএসসিতে। ওকে, সো আই শেয়ার সাম স্ক্রিন ফর ইউ। Okay, so today we discuss actually the amplifier. Okay, amplifier configuration, কি ধরনের amplifier configuration, তার analysis. Okay, ওকে গুড। সো ওকে, তোমরা স্ক্রিনটা আমি শেয়ার করেছি, আমার মনে হয় তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ। যদি কোনো সমস্যা থাকে বলো। স্ক্রিন দেখা যাচ্ছে তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ওকে, আচ্ছা, এই ক্লাসটা আমি নিচ্ছি এই জন্য যে তোমাদের আজকে ওয়েদারও ভালো ছিল না, সেই জন্য আমি আগে মেসেজ করেছিলাম তোমাদের কাউকে যে যদি আসতে সমস্যা হয়, সেই জন্য আমি ক্লাসটা নিচ্ছি। তো নেক্সট দিন মানডে থেকে তোমরা রেগুলার আসার চেষ্টা করবে ক্লাসে। Anyway, so we continue and complete some part from the amplifier. Okay, so we use MOSFET as amplifier, যেটা আমরা আগে দিনও একটা স্কিম্যাটিক এবং তার কিভাবে অ্যাম্পলিফায়ার হয়, অ্যাম্পলিফিকেশন হয় সেটা আমি দেখিয়েছি তোমাকে। ওকে, সো উই হ্যাভ টু অপারেট আওয়ার MOSFET in a saturation region. ওকে, যখন আমার কারেন্টটা কনস্ট্যান্ট হয়ে যাচ্ছে এবং সেই অনুযায়ী আমাদেরকে কিন্তু বায়াসিং কন্ডিশনটা তৈরি করতে হবে। ওকে, সো আমাদের বায়াসিং কন্ডিশনটা যে তৈরি করব সেটাকে আমরা বলি যে অপারেটিং পয়েন্ট। ওকে, এটা অপারেটিং পয়েন্ট বলতে কি ধরনের বায়াস দিয়ে আমাকে ডিভাইসটাকে রাখতে হবে। ওকে, কি ধরনের বায়াস বলতে কি বোঝাচ্ছি আমি, সাপোজ আমরা কি ধরনের গেট বায়াস দেবো, কি ধরনের ড্রেন বায়াস দেবো, ওকে, কোন কারেন্টটা আমরা চাই, ওকে, এই ধরনের যে প্যারামিটার গুলো, এগুলো একটা ফিক্সড পয়েন্টে আমরা সেট করব। ওকে, তাকে বলে অপারেটিং পয়েন্ট। সো উই হ্যাভ টু সেট দোজ প্যারামিটার্স and then after putting this value or this operating point আমরা সেট করার পরে ডিভাইসটাকে, তারপরে আমরা একটা স্মল সিগন্যাল দিলাম বা যেটাকে অ্যাম্পলিফাই করতে হবে সেইটা দিলাম। ওকে, তার জন্য আমাদের স্মল সিগন্যাল অ্যানালিসিস, যে ছবিগুলো দেখতে পাচ্ছ দ্যাট ইজ স্মল সিগন্যাল অ্যানালিসিস, ছোট ছোট করে লেখা আছে, চোখের সামনে নিশ্চয়ই ভাসছে তোমাদের ছবিটা, আমি জাস্ট ওয়ান বাই ওয়ান তোমাদেরকে ডিসকাস করছি। ওকে, সো উই হ্যাভ টু সেট আওয়ার ডিভাইস ইন এ সার্টেন অপারেটিং পয়েন্ট। অপারেটিং পয়েন্ট বলতে একটা সার্টেন ভিজিএস, সার্টেন ভিডিএস এবং সার্টেন কারেন্ট আমরা পাবো সেটার রেসপেক্ট। ওকে, and that should be in the saturation region. এরপরে যেটা আমরা করব সেটা হচ্ছে তিন ধরনের, 3 types of configuration you can get through MOSFET, এবং বিভিন্ন কনফিগারেশনের ক্ষেত্রে তার যে ডিফারেন্ট প্যারামিটার, যে গেইন বা আরো যে কিছু প্যারামিটার, সেগুলো ডিফারেন্ট হবে, সেটা আমরা আস্তে আস্তে ডিসকাস করবো আজ। ওকে, যেটা আমরা প্রথম ডিসকাস করব দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড কমন সোর্স অ্যাম্পলিফায়ার। ওকে, কমন সোর্স অ্যাম্পলিফায়ার। কমন সোর্স অ্যাম্পলিফায়ারে কি হবে, কি করব আমরা? সো ইউ ক্যান টেক এ লুক। প্রথম এই পিকচারটা তোমরা ভালো করে লক্ষ্য করো। ওকে, স্ক্রিনটা যদি ছোট থাকে ঘুরিয়ে নিতে পারো, দিলে তোমাদের কাছে একটু বড় দেখা যাবে যদি কম্পিউটার না ইউজ করো তোমরা। Okay, so right now you see this is a MOSFET. This is the heart of our amplification যে হবে তার এটা হচ্ছে মেন ডিভাইস অ্যাক্টিভ কম্পোনেন্ট। এখানটায় আমরা তাহলে কি করছি, দিস ইজ এ কমন সোর্স অ্যাম্পলিফায়ার। ওকে, when you can write common source, that means source will be grounded. Okay, the source will be grounded and then কতটা টার্মিনাল আমাদের কাছে আছে, একটা আছে গেট, একটা আছে ড্রেন। ওকে, so we apply input at gate terminal. This is your gate and this is your drain, this is your source actually. Okay, so right now what we do here, take a look nicely, ভালো করে দেখো, খেয়াল করো, then we will go through it slowly. Okay, so যদি তুমি ভালো করে খেয়াল করো তুমি দেখবে যে আমরা এটা কমন সোর্স অ্যাম্পলিফায়ারে কি করছি, আমাদের সোর্সটাকে কমন করে দিচ্ছি। ওকে, then we are giving inputs in the gate, we are getting output from the drain. Okay, এই ছবিগুলো ভালো করে খেয়াল করো। so this is your signal, so that signal should be amplified, the V signal, that signal will be amplified through RD. RD হচ্ছে intrinsic resistance, drain resistance. So the what is this drain resistance? That is a resistance between drain, sorry, sometimes it's difficult to write actually, don't know why. So this is a drain to source resistance, that is called RD. Okay, small RD or big RD is fine. So this is your the circuit. Okay, initial circuits, that is your equivalent small signal model. Okay, so right now we continue কিভাবে আমরা করছি ব্যাপারটা। then this is your signal that will be amplified, that is your R signal resistance, that is the intrinsic source resistance, that is we write from outside of the source, that is included inside V signal, but we just write here R signal and this is your V signal. Okay, so that signal is as an input in your gate terminal, and then your source is grounded. This is a common source configuration, and you get a drain current, and that current will be amplified through RD and through another load resistance that we are not putting here actually. This is like open circuit. If you put another load, then you get V0 or V output through another external load. This RD actually the internal load. Okay, so now what we do here, this is your how to say, this is your small signal model. Okay, so that is a like a pi, hybrid pi model, and there is also T model. So that is your like small signal model কি করবে আমাদেরকে, যে এই কমপ্লিট যে কমপ্লিকেটেড ডিভাইসটা তার যে ইন্টারনাল রেজিস্ট্যান্স, তার যে কারেন্ট, সেগুলো আমরা একটা কারেন্ট সোর্স অথবা রেজিস্ট্যান্স এইভাবে রিপ্লেস করব। So this whole device is represented here equivalently through this one. Okay, this is like your this one, this is a current source, this symbol is called current source. Okay, current source আমরা ডিসকাস করেছি আগে, that giving you the constant current. Okay, without any change of its resistance, constant current দেবে। Okay, so saturation এ কি করে, আমাদের কিন্তু constant আমরা কারেন্ট পাই from your device. So this transistors is equivalent small signal is here actually. So এটা ঠিকই আছে, যেটা থাকা সেটা ঠিকই আছে, R signal, V signal, RD ও ঠিক আছে, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, এখানে আমরা তাই রিপ্রেজেন্ট করেছি। জাস্ট ব্লু কালারে যেটা তুমি দেখতে পাচ্ছ, that actually a current source. You know how to write this one. Okay, so this is like your you know what is GM, right? So GM is like del ID by del VG, right? So this is like your GM is the transconductance. So if you multiply with this VGS, then it is just remaining just the current. Okay, so that is this triangular এইভাবে আমরা যেটা এই বক্সের ভিতরে কি রিপ্রেজেন্ট করছি, that is যে MOSFET টা is equivalent to a current source. Okay, with this one GM into VGS. Okay, that is the parameter of your current source. GM is transconductance and VGS is the small signal which is applying through gate to source. So this is equivalent. Okay, so this MOSFET equivalent small signal তুমি এইভাবে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করতে পারো। Okay, so now we slowly understand few equations যেটা থেকে আমরা কিন্তু যে গেইনটা বার করব। ওকে, বিকজ আমার উদ্দেশ্য কি, আমার অ্যাম্পলিফিকেশন ফ্যাক্টর বার করব, অ্যাম্পলিফায়ার যেহেতু আমাদের গেইনটা বার করতে হবে, ইনপুট বাই আউটপুট। আরেকটা কথা এখানে বলার যে তুমি পরেরটা দেখবে যে উই আর ইউজিং টি মডেল অর পাই মডেল। সো দ্যাট ইজ লাইক ইয়োর যেটা আমার যেভাবে কনভিনিয়েন্স আমাদের রিপ্রেজেন্ট আমাদের সার্কিটে যেভাবে আমাদের কম্পোনেন্ট থাকবে তার সাথে কোনটা হলেই আমার ইজি ভাবে আমাদের অ্যানালিসিসটা করতে পারবো, সেইভাবে আমরা চয়েস করব যে পাই মডেল করব না টি মডেল করব। ওকে, যে স্মল সিগন্যাল যে অ্যানালিসিসটা করব আমরা, সেটা আমরা চয়েস করব ডিপেন্ডস অন আমাদের কোনটা ইজি হবে বোঝার জন্য। ওকে, নাও উই কন্টিনিউ যে কিভাবে আমরা এই ইকুয়েশন গুলো এস্টাবলিশ করব, ছোট ছোট ইকুয়েশন গুলো, এবং তারপর then we can understand what is the gain, okay, from this kind of amplifier, from this kind of amplifier এবং from this kind of configuration, that common source amplifier. Okay, so we continue. Okay, so the first one is common signal model for common source amplifier, and the second one is hybrid pi model for common source amplifier. Okay, this is just actual device and this is the small signal representation. Now you see when we try to write output voltage V0, that V0 is this is GM VGS is actually the current. So that current is actually, maybe you can think about this is I actually, that I is so I is this one. Okay, this is I. Okay,
দেখো এটা এই দেখছো,
okay, sorry for the interruption. Okay, okay, we continue. So this output voltage, we first understand what is the output voltage. So the output voltage is the current, this GM VGS into RD. Okay, V equal to IR, that is the way to understand this one again. And if you see the minus sign is there, you may have a question. So I think because of the direction of the current, usually the current is flowing from source to drain actually in the usual convention actually. So that's why there is a minus sign actually here, so to represent the current direction. Okay, so now we can so we just skip that one, the V0 is I into RD. Okay, without any RL. Okay, later we can add RL according to our load. Okay, according to our requirement we can add RL, that is load resistance, but this RD is actually the intrinsic resistance, that is source drain resistance. Okay, so right now you can see another thing actually, that what is Rin actually, the input resistance. So because of the MOSFET, the gate is like a insulating gate. So gate has a like we talk about gate. So the gate material is silicon dioxide. So usually this is like an isolated gate, not your like you have a junction FET. So the JFET, that is are different. So this is insulated gate. So that means because of the insulator, the Rin or the resistance is very high. So ideally this is like Rin, the input resistance. If you look this side, so the voltage, the current or voltage, whatever you see, this resistance is very high. Okay, so that's why we say Rin is very high, almost like infinite, very high. So if there is no resistance is very high, so that there is no current flowing through the gate terminal. So in that case, you can think about what is your VI, the input. Okay, so the input is actually same as your V signal. Okay, and because of the same way, we can say the VGS also, the gate to source voltage, also the same as VI. Okay, so you just have these two, not assumption, this is true for this kind of configuration. Okay, so your Rin is infinite because of the insulated gate. That's why you have a VI and same as V signal. So the same V signal is reflected here without any loss, without any attenuation, the same as VGS. Okay, so if you have this kind of issue, যদি তুমি এটা হয় তাহলে কি হবে actually, then open circuit voltage gain. Okay, so we can find out what is open circuit voltage gain. Okay, so AV actually the open circuit not that's voltage gain. When you say V0, it's not zero actually, it's O. Okay, so like output, or this is open, so not output actually, this is V0, not V0, like a VO actually. So that is like open circuit voltage gain. Okay, that open circuit voltage gain AV0 is output by input. Okay, so output is V0 and this is your VI, so that's why you can write like this one. So what is your V0 actually? This one, GM VGS RD, and that VI is same as VGS, so you just keep that one minus GM RD. Okay, and according to that kind of small signal, you just represent this is like your RO, this is your the same as your RD. Okay, so now if you add external resistance like load resistance RL, okay, if we add a load resistance RL, then what will happen actually? If you put a load resistance RL parallel to RD, okay, so like here actually you can put another one RL, then what will happen? Then the voltage gain, which is called terminal voltage gain, represented by AV, you can express this through that kind of voltage divider formula, because you add another resistance. So you can write like this is your terminal voltage gain. The terminal voltage gain is then AV0 is open loop into RL by RL plus RD. Okay, that is your case. So that you can write like AV0 is GM-RD minus GM and RD, RL plus RD. If you see this expression, then we can write this one. So that means minus GM with RD parallel to RL. Okay, if RD and RL is parallel, then this is the equivalent resistance between RD and RL. So you can get this one. Okay, so that is your voltage gain or called terminal voltage gain at RL, you can get this expression. Okay, this is for what we are talking about. This is for the common source amplifier. And another terminology is this one, GV. Okay, so GV is overall voltage gain. Okay, several terminals are there. Okay, terminology. One is open circuit voltage gain, AV0. AV is terminal voltage gain. And then finally there is GV, what is called overall voltage gain. So in this case, actually overall voltage gain is same as your terminal voltage gain, because of Rin is infinite, input resistance is very high, then the Vi is same as V signal. In some cases, Vi is not the V signal. In that case, the value will be different. The GV is different than AV. Okay, so here actually you can see the GV actually, or it is called overall voltage gain. Okay, overall voltage gain GV is V0 by V signal. Okay, so output by V signal. Okay, not the input one, exactly that V signal. Okay, we are not talking about Vi, we are talking about V signal. In that case, actually V signal and Vi is same, because there is no voltage drop and no current flowing through the gate, so there is no voltage drop, so the signal is same as V in, so you get this expression. Okay, you may compare this with your BJT. In BJT, we also have this kind of common emitter, common base, common collector amplifier. Some of them is matching here actually. Which one I just right now I don't know, but you can check with previous discussion, not discussion, previous jodi tomra pore thako BJT amplifier, then you may compare with this one. But right now we are talking about common source amplifier. Okay, so this is the final. So অন্য যে পরের কনফিগারেশনে কিন্তু আমরা কিন্তু এই রকম মেথডেই আমরা আস্তে আস্তে করে ক্যালকুলেশনটা করব। ওকে, আমরা প্রথমে এক্সাক্ট প্রপার ডায়াগ্রামটা করব, তারপর স্মল সিগন্যাল মডেলটা বুঝতে পারবো, তারপরে আমরা এইভাবে ভোল্টেজ এবং কারেন্ট ইকুয়েশনগুলো আস্তে আস্তে এস্টাবলিশ করে আমরা কিন্তু ওপেন সার্কিট ভোল্টেজ অ্যান্ড দেন terminal voltage gain and then finally overall voltage gain, এটা আমরা বার করব। ওকে, so this is the case. So this is the first one. Okay, common source amplifier. Then few things we have to know from the common source. I have a note actually, I find something good one, compact one, I will send later. এটাও পাঠিয়ে দেবো, সেটাও পাঠিয়ে দেবো, দুটোই পাঠিয়ে দিবে, দিলে তুমি you go through it, you will slowly understand actually যে কিভাবে আমাদের ক্যালকুলেশন গুলো করছি বা কারেন্ট ইকুয়েশন গুলো কিভাবে লিখছি বা আমাদের সার্কিট বা প্রপার যে ডায়াগ্রামটা কিভাবে হবে, এবং সেইভাবে তুমি ব্যাপারটা বুঝতে পারবে যে তিনটা মেথডে বা তিনটা কনফিগারেশনে কি কি হয় অ্যাকচুয়ালি। ওকে, here actually few important things about your common source amplifier. That is, the first one is common source amplifier has infinite impedance, that Rin is infinite, আমি একটু আগেই বলেছিলাম। In that case there is no current draws no current at DC, and however the output resistance is moderately high resistance, which is easier to match with for maximum power transfer. Maximum power transfer কি করে হয় সেটা তোমরা জানো, যে কিভাবে ইনপুট রেজিস্ট্যান্স এবং আউটপুট রেজিস্ট্যান্স কিভাবে ম্যাচিং হলে তবে গিয়ে ম্যাক্সিমাম কি হলো। Okay, let's continue. Okay, okay, so infinite input impedance for this kind of configuration. So that means there is no current at DC, there is no okay, and then output resistance, okay, a high output resistance which is easy to match for the maximum power transfer, and high voltage gain, and we can have a high voltage gain from this kind of common source amplifier, okay. And there is another thing, like if you reduce RD, which will reduce the output resistance, তুমি কনফিগারেশনটা এক্সপ্রেশনটা ফিরে গেলে তুমি বুঝতে পারবে, যদি RD এর আমরা ভ্যালু কমাই, then it will reduce your output resistance, but that will the voltage gain also reduced, okay. So if you see RD কে তুমি যদি রিডিউস করো এই এক্সপ্রেশন থেকে, if you reduce RD, then the voltage gain also compromise, okay. যদি কমাও তাহলে তুমি voltage gainটাকে কম্প্রোমাইজ করবে, okay. So voltage gain also reduced, okay. Alternate design আমি যেটা পরে আসছি with source resistance can be employed to reduce the output resistance. We have an alternate common source amplifier with source resistance, যেটা পরেই আছে, তুমি বুঝতে পারবে। So common source amplifier which have a problem. What is the problem? Like poor high frequency performance. So most of the amplifier, you can think about the high frequency operation is not that good, and that most of the transistor amplifier have that kind of problem, and we have a common source amplifier also have that kind of problem. So high frequency te eta bhalo kaj korbe na, so it should be like a distortion and non-linearity may be there, so eta amader সমস্যা হতে পারে common source amplifier. So we have a improved design, that is a very good design common source amplifier. So we put gate, we input at gate and get an output at drain side. Right now we have another configuration with slight modification, that is called common source amplifier with source resistance, okay. Common source amplifier with source resistance. So we add a source resistance here, that is called RS. আগে কিন্তু এটা ছিল না, আমরা ডাইরেক্ট আমরা সোর্সটাকে কানেক্ট করে দিয়েছিলাম গ্রাউন্ডের সাথে। রাইট নাও উই হ্যাভ আ সোর্স source resistance আমরা একটা অ্যাড করেছি, ওকে। So that is another configuration which has source resistance, okay. Right now we have another issue, like if you have this kind of issue, actually if you put a source resistance, then what will happen? Actually your VGS have some problem, okay. Initially actually the VGS is same as your VI, same as your V signal, but if you put this one, then there will be another issue actually, okay. So your VGS is different than your previous configuration. So now first think nicely and take a look of this first picture, okay. First figure ta লক্ষ্য করলে তুমি বুঝতে পারবে, the same we are putting input in the gate terminal, RS is connected in the source terminal, and this is your drain, same as your RD is there, your V signal is applied here, that is your R signal, input is VI, okay. Now we because we put a RS here actually, so for easy analysis we use T model, equivalent circuits for small signal analysis, so that we replace, okay, we do a slight modification here actually. You can take a look here actually. So we keep V signal, R signal intact. Here we actually add two different things actually. One is your I, that is your current, the drain current, okay. So that আগে যেরকম আমরা GM RD একসাথে মিশিয়ে একটা কারেন্ট সোর্স তৈরি করেছিলাম, দিয়ে আমি সেটা ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট সার্কিটে লাগিয়েছিলাম, এখন আমরা করার চেষ্টা করছি। We are talking here that this is your current, this is the same as previous one, but just for our analysis easy analysis, we just do something different way. Okay, এটার সাথে আগেরটার কোনো পার্থক্য নেই অ্যাকচুয়ালি, যদি ঠিকভাবে তুমি লক্ষ্য করো, that also as a current source, but right now we do a different way. So this time we put a current source and also a resistance. So আগে কারেন্ট সোর্স আর রেজিস্ট্যান্সটা একসাথে মিশিয়ে আমরা করেছিলাম GM VGS, but right now we are putting a different way. So we separate it. So this is your current source, that is your saturation current যেখানে আমরা অপারেট করছি অ্যাক্টিভ রিজিয়নে, that is your I. So this current source is I, putting the current from drain to source, এখানেও একটা মাইনাস সাইন আমাদের লাগাতে হবে, and we are putting here like a 1 by GM. Okay, 1 by GM. So what is 1 by GM actually? So 1 by GM actually, you can think, take a look, that is your del IDS by del VGS, right? This is your GM, right? So DM is transconductance. So like 1 by GM represent a resistance. Okay, so that's why we are writing here, that is another resistance, that is called 1 by GM. তাহলে ব্লু কালারে যেটা আমার সেট করা আছে সেটা হচ্ছে রিপ্রেজেন্ট আওয়ার মসফেট। ওকে, মসফেটটাকে না বসিয়ে মসফেটের ইকুইভ্যালেন্সটা আমরা বসালাম এখানে, I এবং 1 by GM, and the same I is flowing through GM. Okay, so this is the way we do the analysis. Okay, so এগুলো কয়েকটা জিনিস তোমাকে মনে রাখতে হবে যে কিভাবে করা হয়, then you can go through or তুমি বুঝতে পারবে। So next time if you want to design some amplifier, then analyze it, then you can take help from this kind of configuration. Okay, so now what we do here, take a look the configuration আমরা মোটামুটি বুঝতে পেরেছি এখানটায় কি হচ্ছে। Now we are trying to understand this kind of expression, যেটা কি হয়েছে actually. Okay, so now you can see input impedance or input resistance of the circuit is infinite because no gate current flows, because the same gate ei amra apply korchi signal ta. As a consequence, the V input is same as V signal. So input je resistance যেহেতু infinite, so signal টাই আমাদের input এ আসছে। But if we take care about the VGS, okay, VGS is not the V input actually. So VGS is a little bit different one. However, because of the existence here, you can take a look here, the text. Source resistance, we have a source resistance. The less input voltage is divided to VGS. Okay, so because of our source resistance, the VGS is different than VI. কতটা তাহলে আমাদের ইফেক্টিভ ভাবে পড়বে VGS? VGS, so you can think about divider formula. Okay, how the voltage is divided between this one of the resistance here and this is the another resistance. So we have a voltage divider formula and we can write VGS. How much VGS is there? So VGS will be VI into 1 by GM by 1 by GM into RS. Okay, this is the expression for VGS. So the VGS is different than VI. So VI is the original voltage and that will be divided because of these two resistance, 1 by GM and 1 by GM plus RS. So you get these expressions. And then if we little bit simplify it, you get this expression. So equation 2.1 actually give you that VGS. Okay, but without any source resistance, VGS is same as VI, same as V signal. That is a different situation. আগের থেকে এটা আমাদের different situation. So it has, if you take a look, the RS, okay, the source resistance can be used to make VGS small. Okay, so RS can control the VGS so that there is less nonlinear distortion as the small signal approximation will become better. Okay, so that actually, that RS actually will help us to control VGS so that our distortion or nonlinearity from the amplifier will be better. Okay, that we'll discuss later. Now we can go through the another equation, that is your output. What is your output here actually? আগের কেসে কি ছিল, I into RT ছিল, সে আইটা ছিল আমাদের GM VGS ছিল। ওকে, এখন আমরা ডিফারেন্ট ওয়েতে লিখছি। ওকে, so that is your right now the expression for V0. So the output voltage will be the current into RD. Okay, now the current I can be found from Ohm's law, that is we all know what will be your I. The I will be the VI into this resistance. Sorry, there is a issue actually. Okay, I think you see my screen. Okay, it moved actually. So now you can find out the what is your I actually. আমরা তো I R D লিখেই দিলাম এখানে, but what is the real I actually? Okay, this is your I. So the expression of I is the input voltage VI by these two resistance, one by GM and one by RS. Okay, so this is your I, and so you can write and you can get this kind of expression. Okay, so if you simplify a little bit, then you can get this expression. So this is your expression for I. Now you know V0, you know VI, so you can get an open circuit voltage gain, যেটা আগে যেরকম আমরা ডিসকাস করেছি, the same way we can do here actually. So if you do that, then you get that V0, AV0 or AVO actually, open circuit, so it should be not 0, it is O actually. Okay, that is the difference between 0 and O. Okay, so that the open circuit voltage gain AV0, AVO is output by input. So you can write like this one, the IRD and I value is there, so you can quickly get this kind of expression, GMRD by 1 plus this one, so you get this 2.4. You can take a pen and pencil and খাতায় তোমরা যদি করো, তোমরা নিজে থেকে বসালি, then you get this expression. And now the same way actually, if you take a overall voltage gain, that proper voltage gain, if you get this one, then you easily get through RL. Okay, so do RD, intrinsic resistance, but now actually you can go to find the overall the proper voltage gain through this expression. What is this expression actually? আগেরটা যেহেতু করা আছে, এটা সহজে আমরা বসিয়ে দিয়েছি। Okay, so it will be like your the same as your GM 1 plus GM RC and this RD into RL parallel. So this is your the expression for your proper voltage gain across our load RL. Okay, and now the same way, because the input resistance is very high, so the VI is same as actually V signal, so that overall voltage gain is same as your GB is equal to AV. আমাদের কিছু এক্সপ্রেশন আছে পরের কনফিগারেশনে যেখানে আমাদের এই GV এবং AV different, because the VI and V signals are not same, it's different. Okay, but here input impedance is very high, so that the same, there is no voltage drop, no current flow through gate, so you can assume that the যেটাই আমাদের input সেটাই আমাদের V signal. There is no loss, no dissipation, so we can get this GV equal to AV. Okay, so this is our the second one. Okay, so we have several slides actually. Right now is 3:50, no problem, we can continue and finish this one today. Now we talk few things about common source amplifier. I think you see the expression AVGV সব বের হয়ে গেল আমাদের। Now we say something about CS amplifier, the common source amplifier with source resistance. The same way, Rin is very high or Rn is very high, is infinite, so the open circuit voltage gain is reduced by a factor of this. তুমি দেখতে পারো ওখানে এক্সপ্রেশনটা, then you can see this is controlled by this factor. So the nonlinear distortion, the input signal can be increased by a factor of this compared to without RS. So without RS কিন্তু আমাদের এই ফ্যাক্টরটা ছিল না, ফলে we have better control if you have a source resistance. And high frequency response also improve in this kind of design. Okay. So in general, addition of source resistance give rise to a negative feedback factor. So it's kind of controlled over better control actually. So that reduces voltage gain and improves linearity and high frequency response. যদি আমরা high frequency response এখানে কিছু ডিসকাস করিনি, আমরা শুধু ভোল্টেজ গেইনটা নিয়ে ডিসকাস করছি। Okay, in that case actually this source resistance also called source degenerate resistance, and that act like a negative feedback. Okay, তোমরা op amp এ পড়েছো negative feedback can control your gain. Okay, control your frequency response. Okay, open loop এ কি হয়, frequency যে bandwidth কম পাই, যত আমাদের gain control করি, then we have better bandwidth, better control. Okay, the similar thing happening here in this amplifier. Basically the amplifier have this kind of similar property, whether it is operational amplifier or this kind of amplifier. Okay, so ছোট কথা কি বলে, okay, let's discuss the another configuration. তাহলে common source এ আমাদের দুটো configuration হলো, common source configuration এ common source amplifier এ two configuration, একটা যে basic one, another is common source with source resistance. So source resistance we can get better control. Okay, now it is a common gate amplifier. Okay, যখনই আমরা বলবো common gate amplifier তখন গেটটাকে আমরা গ্রাউন্ড করে দেবো। Okay, so gate is connected to the ground, there is no other issue, and now we are giving input in the source. This is your source and this is your drain. Okay, source and the drain. Okay, so we are giving signal in the source side, getting output from the drain side. Okay, okay, so now you can see this is your, the A is your schematic one, the circuit diagram, and this is your equivalent, the T model for the equivalent small signal analysis or equivalent T model, equivalent circuit, T model of equivalent circuit. Okay, so you can assume or imagine করতে পারো যে কি হবে actually এখানে. So gate is grounded, you have the total current I, and this is your 1 by GM. Okay, because you have your the intrinsic, the resistance or that GM, you can represent GM. So what will be your resistance actually? 1 by GM. Okay, so GM is the inverse of resistance, so you can represent the whole MOSFET using these two things, GM and the current. Okay, now what will happen actually, and you put other things nicely here actually. What will happen here, this is your source, this is your V signal, I signal, R signal, resistance of the input signal এর যতটুকু resistance এটা R signal হিসেবে লিখেছি, and then we are putting this VI. Okay, that is your input, and what will be your R in actually, আগে কিন্তু R in infinite ছিল, but right now your R in is not infinite, R in is 1 by GM. Okay, so that we say is R in is 1 by GM, and now your RG, R0 is RD, the intrinsic resistance, and you can put load, no issue, that is the additional factor. Then we slowly understand how to go through the few equation, যেটা আমরা ইকুয়েশন গুলো পরপর বুঝতে পারবো এবং সেখানে আমরা slowly we understand what is your overall gain and open loop gain, আমরা এটা আস্তে আস্তে বার করে ফেলবো। Now we quickly follow this by inspection. Input resistance is Rin. What is Rin actually? 1 by GM. There is no issue. Which is typically few hundred ohms, so that means low input impedance. এতক্ষণ আমরা high input impedance নিয়ে কাজ করেছিলাম, but right now input is low input impedance because this is source side, this is not gate side. Gate is also input impedance very high, resistance very high, but this is the input impedance in source is very small, so it's low. And V out, what is your V out? The same way, I into RD, the drain source resistance. And what is your I actually? Your I is equal to the VI, okay? The input voltage by input resistance, VI by R in. That is your this one. GM VI is your total current, okay? So right now you can get this So now you have quickly get the open circuit voltage gain AVO, what is V0 by VI, and if you take a look nicely, this is your V0 is minus RD, and if you get this expression, what is your VI? Lot of noise actually. Okay, let's continue. There is no, oh my God. Okay, so we can get this expression. This is your output voltage and the output open circuit voltage gain AV0, AVO is GMRD. And now you can see GMRD, we get GMRD before also case, but this is minus GM of RD. So we have this common source amplifier, similar thing we get, but this is a different sign here. Sign is opposite. And this is your R0 is same as your RD. And then if you take a look nicely here, then we can get a different one, okay? So the VI and the V signals are related with this kind of voltage divider formula. Okay. So right now because of the smaller input impedance is there, okay? Because smaller input impedance is which will change the amplifier gain, and then that will we can go through the voltage divider formula, okay? So that VI and the V signal will be related to Rin by R signal, okay? So if you see this expression, then you will get this relation, okay? So VI and V signals are not same here because we have a small input impedance here. So that means VI is attenuated compared to V signal, okay? So V signal into VI is attenuated since R signal is typically larger than 1 by GM, okay? So R signal value to basic compared to 1 by GM, and you have this kind of expression you get. Now if you have this expression in your mind, or if you have this expression, then through RL, that the real load resistance, if you connect to the output, you get proper voltage gain, what is we call terminal voltage gain. What is terminal voltage gain? Is AV0 into that the fraction.
So we can get this one, GMRD into RL, okay? That you get GMRD, but you have this is like RL by RL plus RD, okay? This fraction, if you include, you get this terminal or voltage gain, proper voltage gain or terminal voltage gain, you get AV is GMRD by RL. This expression you get, which is for common gate amplifier. What will be your proper voltage gain or overall voltage gain? This is your proper voltage gain, overall voltage gain. What is your overall voltage gain actually? Because here the R signal, the V signal is not the same as your VI actually. So we can get this expression actually. You can take a look. Okay. So you have GMRDRL, this expression from AV, and you have this one. Okay. VI by V, this one. Okay. So this into this is the your total overall voltage gain. Okay. So you get this expression. So a bit complicated, but you take a, if you take a paper and pen and you slowly calculate, you get the idea actually. So এই ক্ষেত্রে কিন্তু আগের দুটো কনফিগারেশনের থেকে ডিফারেন্ট। এখানে আর সিগন্যাল, ভি সিগন্যাল, ভি ইন ইজ ডিফারেন্ট, ভিআই ইজ ডিফারেন্ট। আগের ক্ষেত্রে কিন্তু ইনফাইনাইট রেজিস্ট্যান্স ছিল বলে আমাদের সব সমান ছিল। সো আমাদের এভি এন্ড জিভি কিন্তু আগে ঠিকই ছিল, দে আর সেম, বাট রাইট নাও ইট ইজ ডিফারেন্ট বিকজ ইউর input impedance is very low. So as the input impedance is very low, it is good for matching source with low input impedance due to the maximum power theorem, but it draws more current. Input resistance small hole, it draws more current from the source, and which will high power consumption from the signal source. These are the small disadvantage from this kind of configuration. Now you can get few things here. The common gate amplifier, what is happening here? Common gate amplifier has a low input resistance, and this is undesirable as it draws large current when driven by the voltage input. And the voltage gain of the common gate amplifier can be made similar in magnitude to that of the CS amplifier. একই রকম হচ্ছিল তো, শুধু মাইনাস সাইন ছিল। If RDRL can be made larger compared to R signal plus 1 by RG. Okay, so দুটো কিন্তু সিমিলার ম্যাগনিটিউড করতে পারবে if you compare the factors. এই ফ্যাক্টর গুলোকে তুমি যদি কন্ট্রোল করতে পারো আমাদের একই রকমই আসবে। And also the output resistance can be made large since RD is R0. And common gate amplifier has good high frequency performance as shown in later. Okay, we are not discussing here any frequency response because this is from some other source. So there is a discussion actually. Okay. Common source amplifier and common source amplifier with source resistance has better frequency response, and also the common gate amplifier, it each also have a frequency response, but we are not discussing this in this discussion. Now the final one. Okay, the final one is common drain amplifier. Okay, what is called source follower. This is like a buffer circuit or unity gain amplifier, যেটা আমরা op amp এ পড়েছি। Similar thing happening here also. Same thing আমাদের এখানে হচ্ছে। Okay, so we can finish very soon, don't worry. So maybe within 1 hour 10 minutes we can finish this discussion. Okay, so now take a look of the figure A, this one. What is happening here? This is your MOSFET and this is your common drain amplifier. So we put drain in the ground. The input is giving to gate this time, and we are getting output from the source side. Okay, so source থেকে আমরা কিন্তু এটা পাচ্ছি। সোর্স থেকে আমরা সোর্স সাইডে আমরা আউটপুটটা মেজার করব। ড্রেন ইজ গ্রাউন্ডেড and gate is giving as input signal. Okay, so this is the equivalent circuit. You can take a look. This is the current source I, and this is your resistance 1 by GM. Okay, so now we can take a look nicely. আমার আগের এক্সপেরিয়েন্স থেকে এটা আমরা অনেক সহজে হয়তো করতে পারবো, বাট টেক এ লুক কিভাবে আমরা করছি সেটা চেষ্টা করি জানার। ওকে, so now this is your V signal, this is your R signal, and this is your input voltage is we are giving in the gate terminal, so that we can have a that R in this time again infinite, not like common gate amplifier. This is again R in is infinite, and that is your 1 by GM is there. This is the current source, and this is your RL. Okay, the load resistance we are putting here. Now we slowly understand the equations. Okay, equationটা আমরা বোঝার চেষ্টা করি যে কিভাবে আমরা গেইনটা বার করব। Now since the gate again current is 0, so because it is RL is infinite, so the voltage gain actually we can write the voltage gain. What is your voltage gain actually? This time we are not putting an open loop one, so open loop will be like 1 actually, and you put voltage gain AV, that is your V0 by VI. Okay, V0 by VI. What is your V0 actually? So right now if you put V0 by VI actually, then you get this one. Okay, so RL and 1 by GM and into RL. So this is your voltage divider formula. Then you can express V0 is RL by RL plus 1 by GM into VI. That give you actually AV, the simple straightforward way you get voltage gain AV. Okay, now open circuit voltage gain for the open circuit when RL is infinite, like open loop condition, that AV0, this time we put AB first and then we think about AVO. Okay, so if you take open loop 1, then AVO is it's close to 1. Okay, now so R0 actually, what is your R0? That is R0 আমরা আগের ক্ষেত্রে কি পেয়েছিলাম R0, we are talking about RD actually, because the drain side is grounded, so that right now the R0 is same as 1 by GM. Okay, this is your intrinsic resistance R0 this time, this configuration. Okay, and because of the infinite impedance, again the VI is same as V signal. Okay, so the overall voltage gain GV is also called the total voltage gain. It's the same as the voltage gain proper AV. এই দুটো ক্ষেত্রে আমাদের কোনো সমস্যা নেই, তিনটে ক্ষেত্রে আমাদের কোনো সমস্যা নেই, খালি কমন গেটে আমাদের সমস্যা ছিল, দুটো ডিফারেন্ট ছিল। So right now GB and AB is same, and what is given by this configuration or this expression RL by RL plus 1 by GM. And according to our understanding, আমাদের জানি যে 1 by GM is typically small compared to your RL, or RL বা R signal থেকে 1 by GM typically small, so the gain is less than unity but is close to unity. Okay, একের থেকে কম বা একের কাছাকাছি, hence this is called source follower. Okay, source follower. This is source follower, and because the source voltage follows the input voltage, but yet it can be provided large current to the output than in the input. Okay, so this is called the source follower, because the source voltage follows the input voltage. Okay, so we are getting input voltage and we are getting output from the source signal, source side. So this configuration is called source follower. or the common drain amplifier. কি বল?
নোটিশ বোর্ডটা কোথায় লাগালে ভালো হয়?
Okay, just hold on a minute. Okay, just wait 1 or 2 minutes maximum. Okay, just stay on the line. Okay, I come back. Okay, are you there? সবাই চলে যাচ্ছে আস্তে আস্তে, কমে যাচ্ছে সংখ্যা, যাই হোক। Okay, no issue. So this is a table. Actually, you can take a look, and then we can stop it here. Actually, okay. So this is like a comparison. Okay, so you can see the comparison from this table. You can understand actually amplifier type like common source with resistance, common gate, common source follower, or common drain. And what is the nature of Rin? You can see what is the nature of open voltage, open loop voltage gain. What will be your R output or R0, RD, but this is different. And this is your AV, that is your proper or terminal voltage gain. You can see, take a look here. and this is your GB. Okay. Okay. Thanks for the for today's class. You can I can send you this and you can take a look. Okay. Okay. So you take a. I stop here. Okay.